Hi, Bio11A, and welcome to what I'm thinking is the last week, right? Because we have review this week, and you do have a lab, which is a case study that should be fun for you, a little different from the other labs. But I want you to be studying for the final, and then the week after is finals week, and you have reached the end. So this pretty you should congratulate yourselves. You've done a lot of work, and that's really good. I've been receiving already, I've been looking at your models of the heart, and some of those are amazing. So that's really cool. It's hard to think 3D, and so it's conceptually not instantly easy when you have to think of what's going where and what vessel is going in which direction. So good job on those, and I'll see more tonight, I guess. They're coming in at midnight. So anyhow, this upcoming week, no new material other than what I'm calling a lab, and it's a case study about a runner. And you read the case study, you do the study, and then there's a quiz on it. So that should be an interesting sort of discovery. So that'll be fun. So thanks for sticking with me, and have a good week. And I'll be in touch the following week, which is finals week, which is actually I should do it sooner. By the end of this week, I will post something again because your final is on the Monday. Good job, you guys. See you soon.